This as the state added another 1,100 cases. All but 3 parishes in Louisiana reporting cases tonight. The state total is now more than 10,000, and deaths from COVID-19 are up by 60, now standing at 370.
Here's a look at the cases and deaths being reported in Acadiana. Lafayette still has the most cases reported with at least 276. Across Acadiana, at least 13 people have died from COVID-19, and there are at least 779 cases. And those cases are putting a strain on the healthcare system here in Acadiana, including resources like ICU beds and ventilators. Katie Easter tonight has a closer look at the numbers here in Acadiana.
Out of the 10,297 COVID-19 cases in Louisiana, 1,707 are in the hospital, and 31% of them are on ventilators.
You can imagine we're competing with the rest of the country for these resources, so for supplies, for staff, and the health of our staff is, of course, the medical staff or a high-risk group for exposure. So back to what our Mayor President said, we need our community to really step up.
Looking at the Department of Health data for Region 4, which includes most of Acadiana, of the 198 ventilators available, 93 are in use. As for ICU beds, Region 4 has 165 available and 130 are in use.
The federal government, CMS, insurance companies, they're all working to to lift restrictions so hospitals can do some things to increase availability of space within their walls. So increase places in their hospital system where they can put beds, increase ICU capacity again within their systems.
Dr. Tina Stefanski with the Department of Health says the state continues to request more ventilators, and Lafayette has already received some.
And those have been allocated to hospitals that are seeing the highest acuity patients, so the patients that are most sick and most in need of those ventilators.
Dr. Stefanski also stressed during the meeting the importance of staying home. In Lafayette, Katie Easter, KTC, TV3.
While many people are staying at home, others continue to move around. According to Unicast, which tracks movements through GPS data, Lafayette